Recently, some PUBG or BGMI players can play PUBG matches and it shows server did not respond. Please return to the login page and try again. Now, if you find that you can PUBG because of these server issues for PUBG, then watch this video to learn a quick way to solve this annoying server connecting error for the game. So, let's get started. Mainly, this issue stands for unstable internet or server down. So, first check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you found that you have no issues with your internet, then check the server for the PUBG game. So, to check the PUBG server on Android, open a browser of your choice on your device. Type www.downdetector.com. Now type PUBG. Now, if you see the red chart is getting up, that means there are ongoing issues with the server. In that case, you need to wait for PUBG to fix its problems. Or if you see the red chart is down and flat, that means there are no issues with the PUBG server right now. Now, if there are no server issues but you keep getting the server didn't respond, then open setting, scroll down, tap additional setting, scroll down, tap developer option, scroll down, turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also turn on always keep mobile data on if you are using mobile data on your device. After that, reopen setting, scroll down, tap apps, tap manage apps, search for PUBG apps. Tap on it. Now, first turn on auto start. Tap app permission, enable files and media, enable location, go back. Now scroll down, tap battery saver, choose no restriction, enable all the setting. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now, tap on the Google Play Store. Tap search, type VPN, install the VPN, and set up your VPN. After that, connect your VPN to your mobile. Now go back to your phone, open PUBG apps. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, if you still have issues with the server, please comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.